did wake up. I woke up at like 3 o'clock.
Okay.
And I was like, oh man, kind of tired, but fell back to sleep and got to bed. What, 8 o'clock-ish?
This man just slept for 12 hours straight, and he's already tired again after 3 hours of golfing and one estate sale. You know, some people are not built for this life.
It's a rough life, okay?
But he's here, he's driving, he's focused on the road.
Yeah, barely. I was like, oh shit, I'm driving?
So yeah, we woke up early and...
Whoa. Goodness. Portland driving.
Yes, we're in traffic coming from Beaverton to Portland. We went to Topgolf first, started the day off right, and we've hit one estate sale so far. Jake scored some Grim goodies.
Oh dude, I'm so stoked.
Which has a nice story because he was an extra on the set for a while, and he somehow recognized, or maybe just a ploy to establish rapport, I don't know.
No, I did recognize the dude.
He sold it really well, I couldn't tell.
You're sick.
But yeah, so they bonded over the fact that Grim is now defunct, but he had some cool set pieces, a jacket that Hank wore. Never seen the show. But apparently he's one of the badass characters.
He is.
He's the buff badass guy, I think.
And he's legit an OG in real life.
So now we're going to
high-end estate sale.
a high-end estate sale on South Waterfront, and we're just enjoying some delicious Portland traffic.
It's so yummy.
Yeah, traffic isn't that bad when you're just rolling with your homies.
Yes, that is facts.
So yeah, on with the next sale. I'm completely mystified at times going to estate sales and you see a part of Portland you've never knew existed, that you lived in your whole life, and it's just like people are living like rock stars 10 blocks from the ghetto.
10 blocks from you. Let's see what Pinky's has going on. All right, doing the brisk quick look. Okay. Start from the top. So usually I'll just kind of skim, see if there's any words that jump out to me as far as brands or
and you're just finding something that's close to us right now.
games. Yeah. So there's seems to be a decent mix of like some old, some new accessories. See, it's like
Potential.
we definitely didn't come in this way, but we're going out this way.
Hey, free dog kennel. Oh. What?
What was that?
Did you see that?
Was that a sale?
I don't think it was a sale. There was a stormtrooper.
I saw that helmet. I'm gonna back up slowly and like weird them out. You wanna capture them?
What is that? That's so cool.
And then slowly go away. They didn't even notice.
I was too shy to record. But yeah, that house, it looked like it had a garage sale going on. There's a bunch of tables in the driveway. But they were building Stormtrooper Star Wars outfits. They had one fully built and they're building a second one. And we just slowly pulled backwards.
Very interesting.
Stared at them and then drove off.
No one even noticed.
So yeah, number 3 is done. We'll do a quick little recap of what we got. I think that fits you.
Yeah, this is gonna be a good look right here. Got Hank's jacket from Grimm Season 3. Exclusive. You can't go out to Walmart and buy one of these. You could try. It's not gonna happen. And then
That's how he treats it.
I think Lil Yake said it best. From the set.
Working, set piece, lantern.
Exactly.
Is this all handmade?
Yes, in China. Can you believe it? There's a pair of these. Oh, yes. Then, what else did I get? Oh, yeah, I got this camping chair. Already getting it dirty.
Inscribed with Grimm, Season 5. Limited edition.
What else? And then we got a ton of Harry Potter audiobooks, like all day, dude. At $1. This is gonna sell for 25 to 30. I searched this. This was another $30.
Tom Clancy.
This was 25 new on Amazon. This was there's none of these available, so mine's gonna be the only one. I priced it at 25.
Ooh.
Already listed on Amazon actually when I was at the sale. This is $60 set new. They had it at 4.
Ooh.
I'll probably get 45 to 50 for it.
New international version.
Mm-hmm. This guy right here, she threw it in. This is 20 to 25 bucks.
Yeah. What are you looking for, just for like the rarity of the Bible? Is it like the decoration? Are you
If it's a larger print, leather bound, if there's any kind of specialty,
Because I know when if I search for copyright or comps on eBay, you have to wade through so much stuff. So you're just kind of going off the gut.
what I did was the title, and then I did Zondervan, which was the publisher, and then I did the year. And you can find the most recent by the copyright, that's the latest. That will tell you what year this one is. And a similar one sold for 25. 2 of these, Holy Bible Deluxe Edition, illustrated. And I speculate
Whoa.
these are gonna be
That's a cool inside.
These are going to be $30 Bibles. And what's so amazing is that these are usually $1 to $2 at the sale. So I don't know if this is actually going to be worth that much, but it's just like, it was just too funny to pass up, especially because I'm getting all these Bibles today. And then on the other side, be networthy, be noticed, looking good for Jesus. Show him the money.
Bro. That's amazing. What's this jacket you got?
Oh, yeah.
I think this is worth money.
This is a Dale Earnhardt Chase, size small, GM Goodwrench, service racing. I think on the low end it's gonna be 40. On the high end, maybe 80. So there's some variation there. There is some condition issues, but I tried and this stuff will wash out, so I'm just gonna get some spin on that.
What'd you spend roughly? What do you think you got?
I spent $125 on the Grimm stuff. I spent $30 at that last sale for the audiobooks. I spent another, I don't remember what I spent at the other one.
Baller.
$12. Yeah, I just throw money out, and who cares how much you spend. I think in total, so I spent probably close to 200 in total, and I'm probably looking at 6 to 7.
So 3 to probably 4x. I think he's being a little conservative on his numbers.
Yeah, some of that Grimm stuff is,
You don't know.
it's you can't get it anymore. A lot of the stuff sold, that sale was last July, I think,
Yeah, the big Grimm sale.
The big Grimm sale was last July, so the stuff has either been collected, stored, or sold, and to get some pieces to put on the market fresh is going to be pretty exciting to see what happens.
So, yeah, been a good day. I don't think I introduced myself technically. I'm Jake from Art of Progression.
He's the man.
And I'm accompanying Jake of Portland Picker fame. So, yeah, you'll see more content on this channel. You got any closing words before we sign off?
Just get out there and find something that you're passionate about doing and just do it. You know, you can spend a lot of time overthinking the steps to success, but honestly, a step forward is not a step back, so just move.
Beautifully said. All right, see y'all next video.
Much love.